Good afternoon. My name is Sean Flaherty. It's 8 September 2022. I currently live in Southern Pines, North Carolina, which is just outside of Fort Bragg. I am married. My wife and I have a dog and a cat. I am currently a Special Forces medical sergeant in the Army. Uh, and I am taking this class in order to fulfill some PA school prerequisites. I have applied to the UNC Chapel Hill a couple weeks ago. They're the only school that I could find that accepts my military anatomy and physiology. So I plan on taking physiology next semester, and then if I don't get into UNC Chapel Hill, I'll cast a bigger net. As far as hobbies go, I enjoy walking my dog, also bird watching. I utilize the Merlin app, which identifies birds by their sound. Very interesting. If anyone's interested, I would look it up. And then also I like doing do-it-yourself projects around the house. Other than that, I look forward to working with everyone, and best of luck.